Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll talking about Veeam Backup Essentials. Veeam Backup Essentials comprehensive data protection for businesses. In today's digital age, data is the lifeblood of any business. Protected invaluable is to ensure businesses community of data availability. Veeam Backup Essential is a robust and virtual data protection solution designed to meet the unique needs of small and medium-sized businesses. In this article, we will delve into the key features and benefits of VM Backup Essential in details. Number 1, data backup and recovery. VM Backup Essential provider a comprehensive data backup and recovery solution. It supports both virtual and physical environments, making it suitable for a wide range of it in transformations. The solution creates image level backup of virtual machines, ensuring that you can recover entire system quickly in the event of data loss or system failures. This means minimum downtime and maximum data availability. Number 2, efficient data development. VM advanced data development technology optimized storage utilization by eliminating donating data blocks. This results in significant storage cost saving and allow for longer retentions periods of also depends up data transfer and backup process, reducing the strain on your network and in transformations. High availability system business community is critical. VM backup is essential offer high availability option of minimize downtime. You can replicate VMS to secondary site or use VM instant VM recovery to quickly recover a failed VM to a standard host. Minimum disparitions to your operations. Data replication. VM's replication concepts go beyond disaster recovery. You can replace the off-site location for disaster recovery purpose or to a remote site for load balancing and data management. The fixability and ensure data availability and resource optimization. Comprehensive monitoring and reporting. VM Backup Essentials provides details monitoring and reporting capability, allowing you to keep a close eyes on your data protection. You can set up an alert for specific events and receive real-time notification, ensuring protective issues resolution. Customized reports provide insight in backup performance, compliance, and resource utilization. Ransomware protection. With the increasing threat of ransomware attacks, data security is paramount. VM Backup Essentials includes features like in backups, which prevent backup for being alert or deleted by ransomware, and the ability of to perform secure and isolate recovery.